In this video, I'm going to show you my full review of Video Ranking Academy. So Video Ranking Academy is the flagship program from Cannell, who is the owner of Think Media channel on YouTube, which provides a lot of value about how you can succeed with YouTube. And this particular course will teach you everything about how you can succeed on YouTube and start making money using different methods on YouTube. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of Video Ranking Academy. I'll be also showing you the different price points for Video Ranking Academy. We'll be taking a look at the sales page, and finally I'll be telling you whether you have to get this or not. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon for all the notification of my future videos. I really appreciate that. So right now I'm on the sales page of Video Ranking Academy, and it says join the all new Video Ranking Academy, and I'll teach you step by step everything I've learned growing a YouTube platform, from creating and ranking your videos to turning views into income. And he's the man, Cannell, who has done most of the trainings inside the program. And I'll be showing you everything what you are going to get inside the program. But let's just quickly have a look at the sales page. And these are the testimonials from people who have got success using the strategies learned inside Video Ranking Academy. And what all you're going to get inside Video Ranking Academy, you're going to get the practical video sessions, lessons you can apply immediately, and the tested framework. And it all covers with the 30-day money back guarantee. So without a further ado, let me take you inside the members area of Video Ranking Academy. So once you log in after making the purchase, this is your dashboard will looks like, and you will get all these different courses. So the first one is the Video Ranking Academy, which is the updated version for 2022. And then they have got this YouTube strategy workshop, YouTube hyper growth blueprint, how you can start your video podcast. So all these are different courses which you're going to get access to as a part of your purchase of Video Ranking Academy. You will get the video YouTube live streaming influence system. I don't think you are going to get the video product review profits. You are going to get grow with video, social media growth accelerator, which is going to teach you everything about growing on social media. And you're also going to get access to the Video Ranking Academy, the classic program, which is the older version of it. And there are a lot many good things about the older version as well. And they've also updated this niche finder course inside the Video Ranking Academy last month. So it covers everything about finding your niche. So let me show you what all you're going to get inside Video Ranking Academy. So once you click on that, you will come to these different categories. So the module 1 is get started. Module 2 is the introduction to the 7 R's. So they have going to teach you 7R framework. Let me take you inside this module, and you have got these 7 R's which you are going to learn inside this. So all these modules have got these multiple videos inside this, and then you are going to learn about 10 YouTube commandments. Basically it's the understanding of the YouTube analytics which you will learn in this particular module. And the next module talks about making money on YouTube. So you will learn about the different strategies on making money on YouTube. So they have covered many strategies which you can go through. And let me open up one of the video and show you. So these are like long videos. This is a 23-minute video. You're also going to get different workbooks and assignments which you need to complete along the way while completing the course. Module 5 is about how to succeed in Video Ranking Academy. What all things you can do to learn and succeed. Module 6 is about congratulations that you have completed the framework. Now what next? And then they have got this VRA Masters, which is the next level for the Video Ranking Academy, which you're going to get. So all is covered inside here, uh, about uh, telling you about the next level. So the next level course is also included, as you can see over here. So it's a complete comprehensive course. And let's say we want to open up this one and want to see about React videos. So again, see, this is a 40-minute video which you're going to get. And then they have the next one, which is about the YouTube shorts. So all these you're going to get as a part of your Video Ranking Academy purchase. This VRA Masters has been added in 2022, and they keep on updating the course, and you will have access to all the updates once they are released inside this course without any charges. And you are also going to get access to the Facebook group, which is the members only group, and there are more than 10,000 members as of now on this group, and there is a lot of value. People are asking questions, and Sean and his team are supporting them, and people are also supporting each other in this Facebook group. And there is a lot of good things happening in this group, and I really enjoy working out with people and answering queries, and asking support questions in this group. So yeah, this is all about the members area of Video Ranking Academy. And now talking about how much it is going to cost you. What's the price for this? So the price for this is, let me show you, where is the price. Where is the price? Where is the price? Yeah. So you can join Video Ranking Academy for a single payment of $997, or you can make 12 payments of $97. And this is a high ticket program, and this is going to teach you everything about YouTube. And you can also go on Sean's YouTube channel. They've got this Think Media channel and Think Media podcast, and you can see the kind of value they're going to provide, and it's the next level value which you're going to get inside the Video Ranking Academy. And it all comes with a 30-day risk-free money back guarantee. So you're all covered with the money back guarantee as well. So this particular course is for anyone who is seriously wants to build their business using YouTube. As you know, video marketing is the future, and YouTube is the future, and lot many people are transferring their business and adding their YouTube as a part of their business. And if you're one of them, you should definitely look into Video Ranking Academy. And as a part of my bonus to everybody who will join Video Ranking Academy, I'm going to give you 6 months of my personal coaching. So we are going to get on weekly calls, and I'm going to help you succeed with YouTube and share my experience, share my journey, what I am doing will help you to succeed with YouTube through my bonus as well. So guys, I hope my review has helped you to make an informed buying decision about Video Ranking Academy. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Cheers.